In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten form data in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're looking to finalize a document for sharing or just ensure the integrity of your form data, flattening your forms is an essential step. We'll walk through this process, and by the end, you'll be able to preserve your form's data in a static and uneditable format. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening the form you need to flatten in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you have the file ready and accessible. This is the groundwork for all further actions. Once you have your document open, take note of the form's content, as this process will ensure it's no longer editable after we're done. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of Adobe Acrobat Pro. You'll see the menu button there, which is your gateway to navigating through various functionalities. Go ahead and click on it. This area houses several options, but for our purpose, we're aiming to move the conversation from a dynamic form to a stable document. As you click on the menu, look for the option labelled Save as Other. Clicking here expands a menu, offering several ways to save your file, tailored to different needs. From these options, select Optimize PDF. This is a crucial step where the magic happens, as it allows access to the PDF Optimizer tool that we'll use to flatten your form. Within the PDF Optimizer window, direct your focus to the left side where you'll see an option called Discard Objects. This is the section where we'll pinpoint the form elements we want to modify. Click on Discard Objects, and you will notice a list of attributes you can apply to your document. Here you want to specifically check the option Flatten Form Fields. This action will transform all interactive form fields into a static layer, making them part of the regular document text and graphics. Finally, with Flatten Form Fields selected, the next step is to conclude this flattening process. Simply click OK to confirm your choices. Adobe Acrobat Pro will then work its magic, saving your document as a new PDF where all form fields are now permanently part of the document. This file is now flattened, maintaining the data's integrity while preventing modifications. And there you have it, a seamless transition from a form with interactive fields to a stable, flattened PDF. Remember, once flattened, the document form fields cannot be edited, so ensure everything looks good before finalizing. Share it with confidence, knowing your data is preserved just the way you want. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, happy document editing.